Hello boys and girls, how you doing? This is Ted, this is Ride with Ted. I'm Ted, this is Ride with Ted. Welcome back to the channel. Greatly appreciate you sticking with me and glad you're here. Hey, guess what we got going on today? That's right, boys and girls, it's another poolside review. Let's get into it. All right, today what we got here is this. This is a Viking Bags 22L Dagger small motorcycle sissy bar bag. Now, Viking sent this to me to review, try out, and see what I think about it. So, watch this and you'll get more of an idea of what we're talking about. The Dagger Motorcycle Sissy Bar Bag is made from high-quality, water-resistant Cadora. And the Dagger Sissy Bar Bag is constructed with a semi-rigid frame for shape retention, and all zippers are lockable with padlocks. The bags provide 1,324, 1,650, and 2,116 cubic inches of storage space. They fit most sissy bars, luggage racks, and or backrests. Perfect for your daily rides. The mounting system is universal. Installation is simple and quick with the adjustable sleeves to fit your bike, with options to mount on your luggage rack, your sissy bar, or on your pillion seat. The Dagger Sissy Bar Bag for motorcycles is fully accessible while mounted, and its clean appearance matches your motorcycle seat, saddlebags, and riding apparel. The internal mesh pocket for extra storage and organization. The bag comes with a rain cover and shoulder strap. Now, if you're not satisfied with your purchase, Viking Bags will be more than happy to offer a full refund of the purchase price within 30 days, and they know that it is very important for any biker out there. Mounting straps are included. The weight of the bag is between 4.5 pounds to 8.3 pounds, obviously depending upon the size of the baggage you use. 3 sizes are available: the 34L, which is the extra large, 27L, which is the medium, and the 22L, which is the small. The bag that I have, overall dimensions are 14 inches wide, 13 inches tall, and 9 inches deep. Retail prices are $74.74 for the small, $119.99 for the medium, and $143.99 for the extra large. You can find out more about these bags by getting on over to vikingbags.com. It's a good looking bag, and it will do whatever you want. As you can see here on the pictures, I had mounted this to my rear rack on my Sportster. I also had mounted it on the pillion seat also. With the 4 straps that are included, you will have no trouble whatsoever securing this to your bike. Once secured, it is rock solid and it's not going to go anywhere. I was able to really pack this thing well. If you're going away for a weekend, you need 2 days worth of clothing. I was able to pack inside this bag a pair of jeans, a pair of shorts, a sweatshirt, 2 lightweight t-shirts, some pajamas, which is, shorts, and a top, 2 pairs of underwear, 2 pairs of socks, and a short pair of socks, as well as toiletries. So I was able to pack all that in there, and I did not use the side pockets. You have plenty of room in here to use this for a great weekend bag, a getaway bag. Also, if you're traveling, if you need to use this on an airline flight, whatever, you certainly can use this bag. There'll be no trouble whatsoever using it as a carry-on, and you will be able to manage for a weekend. But for motorcycle purposes, it's ideal. All right, so there you go. It's a nice little bag, and as you can see, I got a lot in here. Now, if you're going away for a weekend, you're leaving on a Friday, you're coming back Sunday, this bag will suit you just fine. As you saw everything that I was able to get into it. A pair of jeans, a pair of shorts, a sweatshirt, 2 pairs of underwear, 2 pairs of socks, a small pair of socks, pajamas, and of course toiletries. But the point is, I was able to get all of that inside this bag, and also, as you saw in the pictures, it mounts very easily to the back of the Sportster. It will also mount on, of course, my Heritage. It'll fit there just fine. I didn't show pictures of that, but it fits just fine. Ideally, 2 ways to install it on your bike. Of course, if you're not carrying a passenger, you can put it and so it sits on the seat, on the pillion seat, just like I showed you. Or again, you can also mount it on the back, on the cargo rack if you want. It is so lightweight, you won't even know it's there. Especially even after you load it up, you're not even gonna know it's there. And what's cool about it is, it's got the straps you can wear like a backpack when you're done. And it works fine. Back here, what you got there, these 2 metal rods that we're talking about. These metal rods, you can adjust this so that it can fit around depending on what kind of sissy bar you have. In my particular case, I had the regular backrest on the Sportster. So I had to remove both of these, and that happens by just pulling these up and you can lift these bars out. That's all it is there. But it fit perfectly fine. I could even put in all kinds of stuff in here. I could have squeezed in a pair of flip-flops in this bag. I still had room. So this is a great bag if you just want to get away for the weekend and you don't want to carry a lot of stuff. And this will do you just fine. So, Viking Bags, 22L Dagger, small motorcycle sissy bar bag. It's definitely worth it. Norman the Gnome. How's it going, buddy? Thanks for watching, kids. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And of course, comment. Write something down below. You know I'll respond. And get out there, ride your motorcycle. Go on a trip. Get this Viking bag. Links will be in the show notes. I might give it away. I might not. I like it. Peace out. Rock and roll. I really wish that thing wasn't running.